Yeah. Hello guys. Hello everybody. Welcome to today's updates. This is ODJ updates. Like what I did yesterday, I I made an analysis on the market, and we made a prediction that the market is going to drop, that the US dollar is going to gain, and that the Great British pound is going to drop. Well, today the market is still going to drop further. The market is going to drop further. The market is going to drop further. So we expect the Great British Pounds to drop further. The Great British Pound is going to drop further. We're expecting it to drop further. We're expecting it to hit this particular level. We're expecting it to hit this particular level, or maybe to drop even further. Because today we are having two high impact news. One from Canadian dollar from the Bank of Canada, and one from the Bank of England. So these two pairs are going to be affecting they are going to be affecting the dollar. The two pairs are going to be affecting the dollar. I think the dollar is going to continue its rise against the dollar is going to continue its rise against the British pound and the Canadian dollar. This is what I think. The market gained yesterday, and I think it's still going to rise. It's still going to gain more to this particular level. That is what I think. On the weekly chart, which I use to measure my charts, what I use to determine my chart, states that there is still demand, there are still buyers in the market. Still buyers in the market. This candlestick depicts that there are still buyers in the market, and these buyers are going to push the market towards this particular level, which is 27785. They are going to push it to that particular level. So we'll be expecting a buy in the US dollar card. We'll be expecting a buy. Why? For the British pounds US dollar, we're expecting a sell, because the market is going to sell. The dollar is going to gain. The dollar is going to gain against these pairs. So based on my analysis, it's going to drop. It's going to drop further. It's going to drop further. There is still sell in the market. There are still sellers in the market, and these sellers are going to drop. They are going to drop it, and we'll be expecting the market to hit this particular level. This particular level. That is what we're expecting the market to. That was what we are expecting the market to do. After the market has hit this level, then we'll start thinking of buying buying the Great British Pound. For now, we don't buy the Great British Pounds. What we do, we sell. We sell today. The news is coming out, and high impact news is coming out, and it's going to drop some more. It's going to drop some more. A good place of entry. Let me show you a good place of entry. A good place of entry. To wait for the market. You wait for the market when the market hit this particular level, which is 138211. You wait when the market hits this level. When the market comes back and hits this level, that is when you sell. You don't sell now. This is not the right time to sell. This is not the right time to sell. This is not the right time to sell. You wait until the market gain again to hit this particular level. That is when you start to sell. The level is 138221 for Great British Pounds US dollar. That is what it is. So you wait until the market hits this level before you sell. You don't sell now. It is not right to sell. Let us check how many pips the market has done so far. You understand? This is it. So far, the market has done 50 pips. 50 pips. So this is it. This will probably be your stop loss. I would not advise that this be your stop loss. I think this should be your stop loss. That is what I think. I think this should be your stop loss. I wouldn't advise this to be your stop loss. because the market might touch this level. The market might touch this level before going down. But guys, I assure you that the market, based on my analysis, I think the market is going down. But please do your due diligence. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, so you don't have to listen to me. But based on my analysis, based on my what I've done, my research and everything, I think the Great British Pounds will be dropping further. That is what I think. I think it will be dropping further. So so we'll be expecting it to gain again. Let it gain. It might touch this particular level. It might touch this level 138542. It might touch this level before selling off. So that is what we'll be expecting of the market. That is what we'll be expecting of the market for the Great British Pound. For the Great British Pound, that is what we'll be expecting. That's what we'll be expecting from the market. So, guys, that is what it is. Well, guys, if you want me to analyze gold, put it on the comment section, and I'm gonna do it. I usually don't trade gold. I trade GDP, USD, and Usdcad, Canadian dollar. That is what I trade. I don't trade. I don't trade. I don't trade gold. So that is why I do my analysis. That's why I do my analysis on this particular pairs. So, guys, that is it. And the market looks like it's dropping, but I think it's gonna gain because this is it has formed a support level here. It has formed a support level here, so it's gonna gain. The market is gonna gain, might gain, and there might be a manipulation within this region. There might be a manipulation within this region because that is what they usually do. There might be a manipulation within this region, maybe trying to deceive the other traders that the market will be gaining. I don't think the market is gaining. I think the market is dropping down. Let us check. I would like to check. Let's check market sentiment and let's see. Let's check market sentiment and let's see what the market other traders are saying. That is what it is. So let us see what other traders are saying. Okay. IG client sentiment is one of the most respected um, analytic tool in the market. So that is why we are going to be using it. Daily Forex, IG client sentiment is one of the most respected markets tools. Why? Because there are a lot of traders who are involved, heavy traders who are involved with their platform. So it is from there we make our sentiment. So guys, what we have here is, as at yesterday, it was still mixed. GDP USD was still mixed, but we are able to make our predictions. We are able to make our forecast based on what the US dollar was, what the US dollar was against other pairs. Like you can see that the US dollar is bullish against the Japanese yen. Is bullish against the Japanese yen, and also okay, uh, Canadian dollar is doing better. It is bullish against CAD. Is bullish against CAD. So I think we made our predictions from that. We made our podcast from one of those. So we'll be expecting. So far, it is still mixed. It is still mixed. It is still mixed. They are saying it is mixed because this is why they are saying it is mixed. This is a major level. I mean, this is support level. They are expecting the market to to come to this particular level, this 1385, which I think the market is gonna touch. But the market will definitely go down, hit down, and maybe hit 137 720. This will be take profit, but it is not right you enter now. So guys, that is what it is. So let's check US dollar card. US dollar card. Let me show you where you could probably make your entry, because entry is very important. Not just analyzing and telling the forecast of the market. Entry is important, since there's an high impact news on the Canadian dollar. We might be expecting the market to drop a little, which I am not really sure, before we move forward to hit this level. So this is a little bit risky, because we don't know if the market will drop a little before it will gain, or it will move, it will just gain. So, but I will suggest, in order for you, in order to manage your risk properly, what you need to do is be patient for the market to break a little to this particular level, to this level here, before you start buying the market. Guys, I'm telling you, you buy the market is going to buy. There's going to be a buy. The British pound is going to gain against the Canadian dollar, and it's going to gain against the US dollar is going to gain against the Canadian dollar, and it's going to gain against the British pounds. That is what I think. The US dollar is going to gain, the British pound is going to drop, Canadian dollar is going to drop, despite these high impact news. Despite this high impact news, I know some persons will be thinking of wanting to buy because of the high impact news. Please, guys, just try, follow me on this, trust me on this, and that is what you will not be disappointed. I told you guys about NFP, the direction of the market during NFP, that the market is going to gain, that the US dollar is going to gain, and it did. It did against the British pound, it did against the Canadian dollar, as you can see. So, guys, that is what I think. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow. Remember to subscribe. Thank you very much.